The camera aperture is one of the key components that control the amount of light that enters a camera's lens and reaches the image sensor. It is an adjustable opening, typically circular in shape, located within the lens and is usually expressed in f numbers, such as f/2.8, f/4, etc. Aperture size is adjusted by changing the diameter of the iris diaphragm, which can be made wider or narrower to let more or less light into the camera. A wider aperture, lower f number, allows more light to enter the camera, resulting in a brighter image and shallower depth of field, blurred background. A narrower aperture, higher f number, lets in less light, resulting in a darker image and deeper depth of field, more in focus. Aperture size is one of the three elements that determine exposure, along with shutter speed and ISO sensitivity, and adjusting it can have a significant impact on the final image. Understanding and controlling aperture is an important aspect of photography and is essential for capturing images with the desired exposure and depth of field.